Here's how to set up car crash detection on Google Pixel Watch 2. Car crash detection is one of the best features that ensures safety of your Pixel Watch, as it supports all detection, emergency contact dialing, safety signal, emergency sharing, safety check, and more. A few particular features, such as car crash detection, only works on the new Pixel Watch 2 or any latest Wear operating system, OS 4. But if you can't understand how to set it up on your watch, then Get Insider has a step-by-step guide for you. Follow the guide and easily activate car crash detection on Google Pixel Watch 2. If you want to set up car crash detection on Google Pixel Watch 2, then it can be done through multiple ways. You can use your Pixel phone and Pixel Watch 2 both to activate this feature. Using Pixel phone, first, you can use the device settings or Google Pixel Watch app to turn on car crash detection. Second, open settings on your Pixel phone. Third, scroll to safety and emergency. Fourth, launch to the settings app and swipe to safety and emergency. Now choose car crash detection. Turn on once you detect car crash. You're also allowed to turn on other actions. Afterwards, click on the radio button alongside the call emergency services to set up emergency sharing using Pixel Watch 2. Here's how to set up car crash detection on your Pixel Watch 2. Firstly, press and hold the crown button on your watch. Now swipe down to personal safety, then click on car crash detection and turn on. Wear OS prompts the users to notify emergency contacts right after a crash. Now click on yes. Now click on add contact to set up your emergency contacts. Look at all the added contacts and click on done. Afterwards, you can select to share car crash data along with Google. Click on yes to easily set to detect car crashes.